हेलो एवरीवन, इस वीडियो में हम इनवर्स ऑफ मैट्रिक्स बाय एडजॉइंट मेथड करने जा रहे हैं। इन द प्रीवियस वीडियो वी डिड हाउ टू फाइंड एडजॉइंट ऑफ अ मैट्रिक्स। So adjoint of matrix we did, questions on adjoint of matrix we did in the previous video. Here in this video we are going to solve, we have to find inverse of matrix by adjoint method. So by adjoint method. So this is a formula: inverse of matrix is equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. So first of all, we'll see if determinant of A is not equal to 0, that is non-singular matrix, then A inverse exists, and by adjoint method it is given by this formula: A inverse is 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. So let us do this first question. Here A is equal to matrix A is equal to -1. It is 2 by 2 matrix, -3 and 2. So first of all, we will find determinant of this matrix, which is equal to -2 plus 15, which is 13, and clearly it is not equal to 0, determinant of A. Therefore, A inverse exists. Now we find adjoint of this, as we did in the previous video. Adjoint of 2 by 2 matrix is given by interchanging columns, interchanging diagonal elements. So diagonal element हम interchange करेंगे and change the sign of, simply change the sign of non-diagonal elements. तो ये -5 होगा, plus 3 होगा. This is what adjoint of a matrix. Now according to this formula, inverse of this matrix, so inverse of A, that is A inverse, is equal to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. Therefore A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant is 1 upon 13, and adjoint is 2 minus 5, 3 and -1. Yes, this will be the answer. Inverse of, now let's find inverse of this matrix. Next is second question, or A matrix is equal to 2, 4 column, first column, -2, 3, that is second column. Let us find determinant of this matrix. What will be determinant of this? Determinant of A is equal to 6 minus of minus, that is 8. This is 8 and this is 6. Minus of minus will be plus, which is 14. Clearly it is not equal to 0. Therefore A inverse exists. Now adjoint of this matrix, see here, adjoint of this matrix, adjoint of A, it is equal to, we interchange these diagonal elements, so 3 and 2 will be, change the sign of non-diagonal element, so that non-diagonal element will be this. Now this is adjoint, therefore A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant of A into formula adjoint of A, which is A inverse is equal to 1 upon, A inverse is equal to 1 upon 14 into adjoint of A, it is equal to what? 3, 2 minus 4 and 2. This is the A inverse. Now this is about matrix of order 2, square matrix of order 2. Now we'll do इनवर्स ऑफ ये इन मैट्रिक्स ऑफ ऑर्डर 3 का इनवर्स फाइंड करेंगे. सो यू कैन ऑब्जर्व दैट ये दोनों मैट्रिक्स जो है ये है लोअर ट्रायंगुलर मैट्रिक्स और ये है अपर ट्रायंगुलर मैट्रिक्स. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इनका डिटरमिनेंट फाइंड करना है आपको, देन एडजॉइंट एंड देन पुट इन द फार्मूला A इनवर्स इज इक्वल टू 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. So we put in the formula. Question number 3 start करते हैं. We find inverse of this matrix by adjoint method. Here first of all we find determinant of this matrix. इसका determinant find करना है हमको. So determinant of A is equal to ये diagonal matrix है. Now as it is a लोअर ट्रायंगुलर मैट्रिक्स. तो जब लोअर ट्रायंगुलर मैट्रिक्स अपर ट्रायंगुलर मैट्रिक्स या डायगोनल मैट्रिक्स है तो उसका डिटरमिनेंट ओके वी कैन ऑब्टेन डिटरमिनेंट ऑफ मैट्रिक्स बाय जस्ट मल्टीप्लाइंग डायगोनल एलिमेंट्स. तो अभी डायगोनल एलिमेंट्स का प्रोडक्ट क्या होगा 1 into 3 into -1 1 into 3 into -1 which is -3. That is the determinant of this matrix. So whenever matrix is upper triangular, lower triangular, so determinant of matrix is just multiplying diagonal elements. So determinant is not equal to 0, it is -3. Now we find all minors and cofactors. इसके minors और cofactors find करना है. A11 is equal to M11 is value of this determinant. It is value of here. A11 is equal to M11 and it is value of the determinant 30 2 minus 1, its value is -3. A12 is equal to minus of M12 which is minus of value of the determinant deleting the element of first row and second column. That is 3, 5 and 0 minus 1. So its value is -3 and minus of minus will be +3. So it is +3. Then A13 is equal to M13 which is value of the determinant deleting the element of first row and third column. ये 3, 3 और 5, 2 है. तो 3, 3 and 5, 2. So value of this 6 minus 15 that is here is 3 into 2 6 minus 15. So that is equal to 6 minus 15 is minus 9. Then 821 that is minus of M21 which is minus of value of this determinant second row and first column 0 0 and 2 minus 1 0 0 and 2 minus 1 it comes out to be 0. Then A22 is equal to M22 this value of the determinant second row and second column we delete 1 0 and 5 minus 1 1 0 and 5 minus 1 1 0 and 5 minus 1 which is -1 then 823 is equal to we delete 823 is minus of M23 and it is equal to value of the determinant negative. It is value of the determinant second row and third column. So second row and third column 1 0 and 5 2. Second row and third column we delete. So second row and third column we delete. So 1 0 5 2. What will be the expansion? It is 2 and that minus 2 it will be. After that A31. So A31 is equal to M31 which is determinant of थर्ड रो एंड फर्स्ट कॉलम डिलीट करना है, 0 0 एंड 3 0 0। फिर इसके बाद A32 is minus of M32 which is minus of value of the determinant, third row and second column, 1 3 0 0, इसका 0 आंसर आएगा। then A33 will be equal to M33 which is equal to value of this determinant, third row and third column, 1 0 and third row third column 3 3. What will be the expansion? Expansion is equal to 3. Yes, we are getting all cofactors. After getting cofactors, we write adjoint of a matrix. So how to write adjoint of a matrix? Adjoint of matrix is equal to transpose of the matrix of cofactors. It is transpose of the matrix of cofactors. Transpose of this matrix. Now A11 is equal to this minus 3, A12 is equal to 3, A13 is equal to minus 9, then A21 is 0, A22 is minus 1, A23 is equal to minus 2, A31 is 0, A32 is 0 and A33 is equal to what? 3. So after getting this, adjoint of A will be equal to adjoint of A, transpose of this matrix we write. Transpose of this matrix will be interchanging row and column. 0 minus 1 minus 2, 0 minus 1 minus 2, then 0 0 3. This is what adjoint. Then we put in the formula, therefore A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A, which is equal to now it is 1 upon determinant of A. What is our determinant? Determinant is minus 3. Determinant is minus 3. And then adjoint of A we will write. Adjoint is what? Minus 3, 0, 0, 3 minus 1, 0, minus 9, minus 2 and 3. This is inverse of a matrix. This is inverse of a matrix by adjoint method. Yes, we are doing now question number 4. Matrix 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 2, 4, 0, 0, 5. We find inverse of this matrix by adjoint method. So सबसे पहले हमको determinant find करना है. It is easy because this is a upper triangular matrix है. इसका determinant simply we multiply diagonal elements. 1 into 2 into 5, that will give us 10. Clearly it is not equal to 0, therefore A inverse exists. So determinant of A is equal to 10. So we find minors of and cofactors of all the elements. A11 is equal to N11 and this value of this determinant, deleting the first element and first row and elements of first row and first column. 2, 4 and 0, 5 are the elements. So expansion is the expansion I got 10. A12 is equal to minus of N12, which is minus of value of the determinant, first row और second column delete करना है, 0 0 और ये 4 5, it comes out to be 0. A13 is equal to M13, that is value of the determinant obtained by deleting the first row and elements of first row and third column 0 0 or 2 0, so value comes out to 0 here. Then A3, now next A21 is equal to minus of M21, which is value of the determinant, negative here, value of the determinant second row and first column we delete 2 3 and 0 5, which is 10 minus 0, but negative sign here, minus 10. Then A2 is equal to M22, and that is equal to value of the determinant 1 3 and 0 5, 1 3 and 0 5, which is 5 only. Here A23 is equal to minus of M23, which is minus of value of this determinant second row and third column आपको delete करना है 1 2 and 0 0, 1 2 and 0 0, this comes out to be 0. Okay, this is what cofactor in the second row and third column of this element 4. Second row and third column delete करना है 1 2 or 0 0. So after that we will find cofactors of third elements of in the third row, that is A31 is equal to M31, which is A3 plus 1 even number होता है 4, that's why it is plus sign. 1 plus 2 odd number होता है, that's why it is negative, minus sign, which we have done in the previous video. Third row and first column, so remaining elements are these 2 2 3 4. Expansion of this will be 8 minus 6, that is equal to 2. This is what A31. Here A32 is equal to minus of M32, and which is value of this determinant, minus sign is there. Third row and second column 1 0 and 3 4. What will be the expansion? 4, but it is minus 4. So here A32 will be equal to minus 4. Then A33 is equal to M33, and that is equal to A33 is equal to M33. So we delete the element of third row and third column. Delete the elements of third row and third column. So determinant of third row or third column 1 2 and 0 2. This will be 2 only. So we are getting all cofactors. Then we write adjoint. इसका फिर adjoint लिखना है हमको. Adjoint of A is equal to transpose of matrix of cofactors. So what are A11? A11 is equal to 10. A11 is 10. Then A12 is 0. A13 is 0. A21 is equal to minus 10 5. A22 और ये 0 है. A31 here, A31 is equal to, what is A31? A31 is equal to A31 is 2. A31 is 2. A32 is equal to minus 4, and A33 is equal to what? 2. Transpose of this. So adjoint of A will be equal to transpose of this matrix. इस मैट्रिक्स को हम ट्रांसपोज फाइंड करेंगे. दैट इज interchanging rows and columns. So first row will become first column, second row will become second column, third row will become third column. This is adjoint. फिर इसके बाद हम ट्रांसपोज विल राइट द इनवर्स ऑफ मैट्रिक्स A inverse. It is given by 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. So here A inverse, therefore A inverse is equals to, what is the determinant of this matrix? Determinant of this matrix is 10. So determinant of the matrix is 10. So it is 1 by 10, and then adjoint of a matrix. Adjoint of matrix is 10. Adjoint of a matrix is 10 minus 10, 2, 0, 5 minus 4, 0, 0, 2. This is the inverse of a matrix by adjoint method. This will be inverse of matrix by adjoint. Now we solve question number 2. Here we find inverse of this matrix by adjoint method. So determinant of A is to be find out first. Determinant of A, 2 into 4 minus 1, that is 3, then plus 1 into minus 2 plus 1, which is minus 1, then plus 1 into 1 minus 2, that is minus 1. So here 6 minus 2, that is 4. So 6 minus 2, that is equal to what? 4. That is determinant of this matrix. Clearly it is not equal to 0. Then we find all minors and cofactors. Here A11, it is equal to N11, and which is value of this determinant 4 minus 1, that is 3. A12 is equal to minus of N12, which is value of this determinant minus 1, 1, minus 1, 2. So value of this will be minus 2 and plus 1, that is minus 1. Minus 2 and plus 1, minus 1, and negative of that will be 1, which is 1. Then A2, A1, 3, it is equal to N1, 3, which is value of this determinant, 1, minus 1, 2, 1, minus 1. So expansion of this क्या होगा? माइनस ये प्लस 1 होगा और माइनस 2, that is minus 1. Then A2, 1 is minus of M21, So second row or first column, minus 1, 1 or minus 1, 2. So what is the expansion of this minus 2 or plus 1? Minus 2 plus 1 minus 1, that is यहाँ पे plus 1 होगा उसका, change the sign. Then A22 is equal to M22. We expand this determinant 2, 1, 1, 2. 4 minus 1 it is, that is 3. Then A23 is equal to minus of M23, second row and third column. Second row और third column आपको डिलीट करना है. So 2 minus 1 और 1 minus 1 ये elements है. So it is, see I am writing second row और third column. डिलीट करने पर क्या एलिमेंट्स रहते हैं देखो, 2 minus 1 and 1 minus 1. So what will be the expansion? Minus 2 plus 1, minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1, and ये minus 2 plus 1 होगा. Then A31, that is equal to M31. Now थर्ड रो एंड फर्स्ट कॉलम, तो ये बाकी के एलिमेंट. व्हाट विल बी द एक्सपेंशन ऑफ दिस एलिमेंट 1 एंड -1. फिर A32 is equal to minus of M32 which is second row और third column. ये remaining elements है 2 minus 1 और 1 minus 2. What is the expansion of this? minus 2 और ये plus 1 मतलब minus 1, तो ये plus 1 का. फिर A33 is equal to M33 which is third row and third column. 4 minus 1 that is equal to 3. 4 minus 1. So we are getting all cofactors. फिर इसके बाद adjoint लिखना है हमको. What is the adjoint of this matrix? Adjoint of A is equal to transpose of the matrix of cofactors. Transpose of the matrix of cofactors. A11 क्या है? 3 है. A12 है 1 minus 1, A13. फिर A21 is 1, A22 is 3, A23 is 1, A31 is minus 1, A32 is 1 और A33 is 3. Transpose of this matrix लिखना है हमको. Transpose of this matrix, adjoint of A that is equal to transpose of this matrix. That is 3 1 minus 1 1 3 1 और minus 1 1 3. ये हुआ adjoint of a matrix. फिर इसके बाद A inverse is given by formula 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. We use this formula. So 1 upon determinant of A. Determinant of A is what? 4. So 1 by 4 into adjoint of this matrix. What is the adjoint of this matrix? Adjoint of the matrix is, see ये ऊपर लिखा है 3 1 minus 1 1 3 1 minus 1 1 3. This is what A inverse of a matrix. This is A inverse of a matrix. Now let's do question number 14. Inverse of matrix by adjoint method. Inverse of matrix by adjoint method. So first of all क्या फाइंड करना है आपको? डिटरमिनेंट फाइंड करना है. डिटरमिनेंट ऑफ A is equal to 1 2 7 minus 20. ये होगा 7 और minus 20 मतलब minus 13 minus 2 into 7 minus 10 7 और minus 10 minus 3 7 minus 10 plus 3 into 4 minus 2 that is 2. ये 6 और ये 6 12 और ये minus 13 that is equal to minus 1. ये determinant of A that is clearly not equal to 0. So A inverse exists. A inverse exists. इसके बाद हमको सारे एलिमेंट्स के माइनर्स एंड कोफैक्टर्स फाइंड करने हैं. So let's find minors and cofactors. A11 is equal to M11. ये एलिमेंट होगा minus 13. 7 minus 20 that is minus 13. फिर इसके बाद A12 is equal to minus of M12 which is फर्स्ट रो एंड सेकेंड कॉलम डिलीट करना है आपको. 1 2 और 5 7. इसका एक्सपेंशन है 7 minus 10 minus 3. नेगेटिव साइन ऑफ दैट विल बी प्लस 3. फिर A13 is equal to M13. It is equal to value of this determinant deleting first row और थर्ड कॉलम 1 1 और 2 4. 4 minus 2 आएगा that is 2. फिर इसके बाद A21 क्या होगा? माइनस ऑफ M21 विच इज सेकेंड रो और फर्स्ट कॉलम छोड़ना है. 2 3 और 4 7 का एक्सपेंशन, ये 14 माइनस 12 होगा, दैट इज 2, 14 माइनस 12, 14 माइनस 12, ओके 14 माइनस 12 2, और उसका नेगेटिव माइनस 2 इट इज, देन a22 इज इक्वल टू m22 विच इज, डिलीट द एलिमेंट ऑफ ये सेकंड रो और सेकंड कॉलम 1 3 और 2 7, तो एक्सपेंशन क्या होगा इसका 7 माइनस 6 दैट इज 1, फिर a23 इज इक्वल टू माइनस ऑफ m23 विच इज सेकंड रो और थर्ड कॉलम डिलीट करना है 1 2 और 2 4, तो ये 4 माइनस 4 0 आएगा, 4 और ये 4 माइनस 0, ओके इट इज 0, then next is a31, it is m31, a31 is equal to m31, third row and first column, so ये remaining elements है 10 minus 3 7, 10 minus 3 7, then a32 is equal to minus of m32 which is minus of m32, so third row and second column डिलीट करना है, थर्ड रो और सेकंड कॉलम 1 1 3 5, तो इसका एक्सपेंशन होगा 5 माइनस 3 दैट इज 2, बट नेगेटिव साइन है तो माइनस होगा, देन a33 is equal to m33 which is थर्ड रो और थर्ड कॉलम, थर्ड रो थर्ड कॉलम तो ये रिमेनिंग एलिमेंट्स है 1 2 1 1, so that is 1 minus 2 minus 1, so thus we are getting all cofactors. इसके बाद हमको adjoint लिखना है, so we will be writing here adjoint of matrix, so what is the adjoint of A? Adjoint of A is equal to transpose of the matrix of cofactors, A11 is minus 13, A12 is 3 और ये 2, A21 is minus 2, A22 is 1 और A23 is 0, A31 क्या है 7, A32 minus 2 है और ये minus 1, इसका ट्रांसपोज फाइंड करना है आपको, that will give us adjoint, so adjoint of A is equal to ट्रांसपोज मतलब इंटरचेंज करना है हमको रो और कॉलम, so we interchange row or column, so after interchanging row or column what matrix you will get, minus 13 यहाँ पे आएगा 3 और यहाँ पे 2 आएगा, minus 2 1 और 0, जो रो के एलिमेंट्स है वो कॉलम में लिखे हमने 7 minus 2 और minus 1 as it is ऐसे लिखना है, so ये adjoint का, then A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. What is our determinant of A? Determinant of A is equal to what? Here determinant of A is equal to minus 1 है, determinant of A is minus 1, therefore A inverse is equal to 1 upon minus 1, and what is the adjoint? ये है adjoint is 13 minus 2 7, 3 1 minus 2 है, 2 0 minus 1 है, so इसको चेंज करना है साइन, simply will change the sign, A inverse is equal to 13 2 minus 7, 3 minus 1 minus 3 minus 1 2 minus 2 0 or 1, yes, we are getting this inverse of a matrix by adjoint method. Now we do question number 15. Question number 15 is, here we find determinant of this matrix, determinant of the matrix we find determinant of A is equal to 1 into 2 minus 6 minus 4, okay, 1 into 2 minus 6 minus 4 is 0 आएगा, plus 1 into value of this determinant 0 minus 2, 0 minus 2, it is 0 minus 2, then this is what minus 2 और ये minus 4 minus 6 आएगा, so clearly it is not equal to 0, so A inverse exists. इसके बाद हम सारे कोफैक्टर्स फाइंड करेंगे. A11 is equal to M11 सेम एलिमेंट आएगा minus 4 because it is value of this determinant 2 minus 6 minus 4. फिर A12 is equal to minus of M12 which is value of this determinant 0, 3 or 1, 1. So 0 minus 3. Okay, it is 0 and minus 3. This minus of minus will be plus 3. A13 is equal to M13 which is फर्स्ट रो और थर्ड कॉलम डिलीट करना है. ये एलिमेंट्स मिलेंगे 0, 2 और 1, 2. इसका एक्सपेंशन आएगा 0 minus 2 दैट इज minus 2. फिर इसके बाद A21 is equal to M minus of M21 here minus of value of this determinant delete the elements of second row or first column 0, 1 or 2, 1, 0, 1 or 2, 1. एक्सपेंशन आएगा minus 2 और minus of minus that will be plus 2. फिर A22 is equal to M22 which is value of the determinant second row और second column डिलीट करना है 1, 1, 1, 1. फिर 0 आएगा 0. फिर A23 is equal to minus of M23 which is minus of third column second row और third column डिलीट करना है 1, 0 और 1, 2, 1, 0 और 1, 2. expansion is 2 so it is minus 2. then we find A31 is equal to M31. what is the expansion? थर्ड रो और फर्स्ट कॉलम डिलीट करना है 0, 1 और 2, 3. इसका एक्सपेंशन सो इट इज minus 2. देन A32 is equal to minus of M32 which is थर्ड रो और सेकेंड कॉलम डिलीट करना है 1, 1, 0, 3. so it is 3 only. so what is the expansion? 1, 0, 1, 3. तो 3 आएगा तो नेगेटिव माइनस ऑफ 3. सो थर्ड रो एंड सेकेंड कॉलम 1, 1 एंड 0, 3. सो एक्सपेंशन इज 3 और नेगेटिव ऑफ दैट. फिर A33 is equal to M33. व्हाट इज दैट? थर्ड रो और थर्ड कॉलम डिलीट करना है 1, 0, 0, 2 आएगा. सो एक्सपेंशन ऑफ दिस इज 2 ओनली. So we are getting all cofactors. फिर इसके बाद adjoint लिखना है आपको. adjoint of A is equal to transpose of the matrix of cofactors. What is our A11 minus 4? A12 is 3. A13 is minus 2. A21 is equal to 2. फिर A22 is 0, A23 is equal to minus 2, A31 minus 2, A32 is minus 3 and it is 2. Transpose of that. So adjoint of A is equal to transpose of this matrix. We write transpose of this matrix. Transpose is minus 4, 3 minus 2, then 2, 0 minus 2 and minus 2 minus 3, 2 is the transpose of this after interchanging all rows and columns. Then दिस इज व्हाट एडजॉइंट। फिर इसके बाद फाइंड करना है इनवर्स ए इनवर्स इज इक्वल टू देयरफॉर ए इनवर्स इज इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन डिटरमिनेंट ऑफ ए इनटू एडजॉइंट ऑफ ए। व्हाट इज दैट? 1 अपॉन डिटरमिनेंट ऑफ ए। व्हाट इज डिटरमिनेंट ऑफ दिस मैट्रिक्स? इसका डिटरमिनेंट क्या आया था? -6। सो इट इज 1 अपॉन -6 into adjoint of this. What is the adjoint? -4 to -2. Adjoint is this -4 to -2, 3 0 -3 and -2 and 2. So this is what inverse. We can simplify it with minus sign inside the matrix we can take, and we will write here A inverse is 1/6 पॉजिटिव करेंगे 4 -2 + 2 -3 0 + 3 and 2 2 -2. This will be the inverse of this matrix. Inverse of this matrix. 15 question. Now let's do question number 16. Find inverse of this matrix by adjoint method. Okay, both methods से किया है, elementary transformation और adjoint method. So we are doing here adjoint method. सबसे पहले हमको डिटरमिनेंट फाइंड करना है। इसका डिटरमिनेंट आएगा 1 into 4 - 4 is 0, then -2 into here -4 -2 that is -4 or -2 -6, plus 3 into -2 -1 -3. This is what 12 और ये -9 3 आएगा, 0 आएगा। डिटरमिनेंट ऑफ A is equal to और 12 - 9 that is 3. So determinant is this. After that find all cofactors. So directly we will find here A11 is equal to N11 and this equal to 0 आएगा। A12 is equal to minus of N12 which is delete the first row and second column, -1 1 और 2 4। इसका एक्सपेंशन आएगा -4 और -2 -6 और नेगेटिव ऑफ दैट +6। ये इसका अपोजिशन है। A13 is equal to N13 और विद द एक्सपेंशन ऑफ दिस डिटरमिनेंट फर्स्ट रो और थर्ड कॉलम डिलीट करना है, -1 1 1 2 -2 और -1 -3 सेम -3। then A21 is equal to minus of N21, सेकेंड रो और फर्स्ट कॉलम डिलीट करना है, 2 3 और 2 4। इसका एक्सपेंशन आएगा 8 - 6 that is 2 और उसका नेगेटिव साइन -2। A22 is equal to N22, 1 3 और 1 4। इसका एक्सपेंशन 1 4 - 3 that is 1। then A23 is equal to minus of N23, सेकेंड रो और थर्ड कॉलम, डिलीट करना है, सेकेंड रो और थर्ड 1 2 और 1 2 मतलब 2 - 2 0। फिर A31 N31 which is थर्ड रो और फर्स्ट कॉलम, 4 - 3 आएगा 1। A32 is equal to minus of N32 which is थर्ड रो और सेकंड कॉलम छोड़ना है, 1 - 1 और 3 2। 1 - 1 और 3 2। व्हाट इज द एक्सपेंशन? 2 + 3 5 और -5 है। A33 is equal to थर्ड रो और थर्ड कॉलम छोड़ना है, 1 2 -1 1। तो एक्सपेंशन क्या आएगा इसका? 1 और +2 3। here I am writing A33 is equal to A33 is equal to what is A33? It is 1 minus of minus 2 plus 2, which is 3. Third row and third column delete करना है. 1 2 minus 1 1, so 1 minus of minus 2 plus 2 3. so सारे कोफैक्टर्स मिलने के बाद आपको एडजॉइंट लिखना है. एडजॉइंट ऑफ E is equal to ट्रांसपोज ऑफ द मैट्रिक्स ऑफ कोफैक्टर्स. कोफैक्टर्स आर A11 A11 0 है, A12 6 है, A13 कितना है -3, A21 इज व्हाट, A21 इज -2, A22 क्या है 1, A23 क्या है 0, A31 इज व्हाट 1, A32 क्या है -5, ये क्या है 3 है. तो ट्रांसपोज लिखना है आपको. एडजॉइंट ऑफ ए इज इक्वल टू ट्रांसपोज मतलब इंटरचेंज करना है rows and columns. 0 6 minus 3 minus 2 1 0 or 1 minus 5 3. This is what adjoint of a matrix. Determinant कितना है 3 है. So we'll be writing here A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant of A 3 into adjoint of matrix. What is the adjoint of matrix? 0 minus 2 1 6 1 minus 5 or minus 3 0 3. Okay, so this is the inverse of matrix by adjoint method. So we did question number 16. क्वेश्चन नंबर 20 में क्या करना है आपको. ये इक्वेशन दिया है. See what equation is given to you. ये x into a is equal to b. a और b मैट्रिक्स दिया है और x मैट्रिक्स फाइंड करना है. तो इस इक्वेशन को हम पोस्ट मल्टीप्लाइंग बाय ए इनवर्स, पोस्ट मल्टीप्लाइंग बाय ए इनवर्स. तो ये a और ये a इनवर्स बिकम आइडेंटिटी एंड वी विल बी गेटिंग हियर x इज इक्वल टू b इनटू a इनवर्स. सो लेट्स फाइंड a इनवर्स फर्स्ट. बाय adjoint method we will find A inverse. Expansion of the determinant will be what? 1 into 2 minus 6 minus 4 फिर plus 1 into 0 minus 2 that is minus 2 मतलब minus 6 आएगा. ये है डिटरमिनेंट ऑफ A. फिर सारे कोफैक्टर्स फाइंड करने हैं हमको. A11 is equal to M11. So expansion of this determinant 2 minus 6 minus 4 A12 is equal to minus of M12 minus of M12 मतलब फर्स्ट रो और सेकंड कॉलम डिलीट करना है. 0 3 और 1 1 इसका एक्सपेंशन ये आएगा -3. तो उसका अपोजिट साइन +3. फिर A13 is equal to M13. फर्स्ट रो और थर्ड कॉलम डिलीट करना है. तो ये एलिमेंट्स है फर्स्ट रो और थर्ड कॉलम डिलीट करने का. 0 2 और 1 2. तो एक्सपेंशन विल बी -2. देन A21 is equal to M21 minus of M21. सेकेंड रो और फर्स्ट कॉलम 0 1 और 2 1. So expansion is 2. Actually expansion -2 है लेकिन नेगेटिव साइन. A22 is equal to M22 1 1 और 1 1 ये 0 आएगा. A23 is equal to minus of M23 थर्ड सेकेंड रो और थर्ड कॉलम 1 0 और 1 2. इसका एक्सपेंशन है 2 सो नेगेटिव साइन भी -2. फिर इसका A31 is equal to M31 थर्ड रो और फर्स्ट कॉलम 0 -2. फिर A32 is equal to minus of M32 थर्ड रो एंड सेकेंड कॉलम 1 1 और 0 3 आता है. 1 1 और 0 3. सो व्हाट इज द एक्सपेंशन 3. लेकिन ये -3 होगा. A3 3 is equal to n3 3, third row or third column. So expansion is 2. After getting all co-factors, आपको लिखना है adjoint of A is equal to transpose of the matrix of co-factors. A11 is -4, A12 is 3, A13 is -2, A21 is 2, 0 or -2, -2, -3 or 2. What will be the adjoint? Then adjoint of A is equal to transpose of this matrix -4, 3, -2, -2, -3, 2, -2, -2. Sorry. We interchange all rows and columns. Adjoint of A we find here. Adjoint of matrix we find